one thing that motivated me to practice meditation, one statement. So, this statement was made by my Guruji in Yoga Foundation course. That was probably his last lecture, and he said that इस श्वास प्रश्वास में बहुत रहस्य है. He always gives his lectures in Hindi, and that is another thing which we really appreciate about him. इस श्वास प्रश्वास में बहुत रहस्य है. The moment he said that, I was like, क्या रहस्य है? ऐसा क्या हो सकता है? हमारी सांस हम ले रहे हैं, हमें पता ही नहीं. पता होना चाहिए. Since then, I had been observing breath, meditating on breath, and it's been 3.5 years now. It's amazing. It's amazing. Just by observing your breath, you can change your life completely. So, and it is not boring. Earlier I used to think that meditation is very boring. It is very interesting area. When you start observing, when you start noticing how how the breath controls your emotions, your mindset, and the vice versa is also true. The moment you change your mindset, the breath flow also changes. When you start observing this, you start controlling your behavior. Okay? You can control your behavior, you can control your emotions. It is so easy, so simple, and so logical. So that is something I really like about meditation. It is simple. All it needs is your dedication, your sincerity, and motivation. My motivation is that statement. It motivates me even today to sit and observe my breath, because I really want to I really want to uncover that suspense, that how much more I need to discover. So far I have discovered a lot of things about my breath, but I still feel there is lot to discover, and that is something which motivates me to sit every day and practice meditation on my breath. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.